Hey everybody, how you doing? Chuck here with Sound Survival Tactics. It's a workout day. Got my new kettlebell, and I went out, searched for a beginning routine that I could do, and this is a beginner full body kettlebell workout that I came across on the let's see, it's on YouTube. The channel is by Chandler Marchman, and it's four kettlebell exercises. Do 5 rounds, 5 reps on each arm. There's a goblet squat in there, so you just do 5 reps in that. On my last my last set, and it's totally been kicking my butt. I just started with the kettlebell today, as a matter of fact. I went out and bought it on Monday, I think it was, and so this is the full body kettlebell routine for beginners. And you start with the kettlebell in between your legs. First exercise is, real quick, before you begin any exercise routine, make sure you consult with your doctor first. Myself or this channel will not be held responsible. This is for information and educational purposes only. So with that said, there's 4 exercises to this routine. First is a kettlebell snatch. Number 2 is a kettlebell thruster. Number 3 is the goblet squat. And number 4 is a single arm kettlebell swing. And you do 5 reps of each, and let's get to it. You start with a kettlebell in between your legs here, and the first exercise is the kettlebell snatch. You're gonna reach down and up. Yeah, 2, 3, 4. Switch arms. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and now we move into the thruster. Back on the left, cradle the kettlebell between your bicep and your forearm, and you come down, squat, up, push up, down, 2, 3, 4, 5, switch sides, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, kettlebell goblet squat. Over here, got 5 squats. 1, 2, 3, 4. And last, single arm kettlebell swing. 1, 2. Straight up, eye level. Really pushing through the heels. Leg out. 4. And that was my last round. Man, really kicked my butt. So, as I mentioned before, I got that from Chandler Marchman. I'll leave a link to his video in the description below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Incorporate the routine into your weekly routine, to your exercise routine. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. Take care, and we'll see you next time.